Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this look here. So this is another one of my Halloween videos. Yeah, so this is kind of like a scarecrow kind of look. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, so for my concealer, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Master Conceal in Fair. I'm just putting this under my eyes, forehead, like bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow and stuff, where I would like to highlight and conceal kind of. So yeah, I think this is a little bit lighter than the foundation, so hopefully it shows up. But so to set that concealer in place, I'm going to be taking the NYX No Filter Powder in the shade 1. Yeah, 1 I guess. So it's just the lightest shade, and just putting that where I put my concealer. So to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using that same NYX powder, just in the shade 03, and just using a large fluffy brush just to set my foundation. So as per usual, I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows off camera with the ChiChi brow pomade in blonde. Okay, so I'm going to be further bronzing my face with the bronzer from Covergirl. This is the True Blend bronzer, and I'm just going to be taking a little angled brush and yeah. So for my blush, I wanted a orange kind of blush, but I don't have an orange, so I'm gonna have to use an eyeshadow. So this is just the Anastasia Subculture palette. I'm gonna be taking the shade New Wave, which is just this one here, and using that as a blush because yeah, I don't have an orange brush. All I've got are pinks, and I wanted an orange one. So yeah. Okay, so to create this kind of like scarecrow nose, I guess, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Gel Intensa eyeliner in the shade black, profound black, or whatever. Yeah, so I'm just going to be kind of lining my nose as like a teardrop type thing, and then yeah, outlining it with the black to make it like teardrop type shape, and then I'll be filling it in with this orange shade, and yeah, and creating some little lines to make it look like a patch kind of thing. So yeah, you'll kind of see when I do it. Okay, so I brought you in a bit closer so it's easier to see. So I'm just going to be using a bit of that concealer from Maybelline just to clean it up a bit because it's gotten a little messy on the inside. So yeah. So I'm just going to be taking the shade Dawn from the Anastasia Subculture palette. So that is just this shade. So that's just this shade here, and just putting this in the crease, and I'm going to be using it as a transition shade. So taking the shade Roxy, which is just this one here from that same Anastasia palette, I'm going to be taking this on the lower lash line and in the crease with a Sigma E25 brush. Okay, so taking the shade Baja from the Born to Run palette from Urban Decay, which is just this shade here, I'm going to be taking on a Sigma small tapered blending brush, the E45, and putting this in the crease and outer corner, outer V, and then a little bit on the lower lash line as well. So now I'm going to be taking the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek highlighter in the shade Lunch Bunny, and I'm going to be putting this in my inner corner and also brow bone. Okay, so I'm going to be waterlining and tightlining my eyes with the Covergirl Ink It eyeliner in the shade Black Ink, and yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do on that lower lash line is I'm going to be taking the Sigma short shader brush and just kind of blending out that liner so it's a bit more smoky, and yeah. So I'm going to be taking the shade Jet from the Urban Decay palette and just on a pencil brush and just putting this on the lower lash line as well and blending it out. I want it super smoky, and I feel like the eyeliner isn't as much as I want, so I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to be lining my eyes with the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Winged Liner, and I'm going to be creating a big dramatic wing, hopefully, if it turns out. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing that, and okay, so now that the wings are done, I'm going to be applying some mascara. This is the Maybelline Illegal Length Mascara. And then I'm going to be applying some false lashes. These are just the ones from Revlon. I don't know exactly what they're called. They don't really have a name on them, but they're some of the ones from the Revlon. Hopefully I can find and put it in the description, but yeah. Okay, so to start off the lip thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking the Australis Velour Lips Matte Lip Cream in Mel-Burn, whatever, it's black, yeah. So I'm just going to be, to start off with, I'm just going to be doing my lips as per normal, and then I'll do the design thing after. Okay, so the lips turned out quite a lot bigger than what I was thinking, but that's okay. Anyway, so I'm going to do some like fake freckles using the Bloom Shade and Line eyeliner. This is in, I don't know what shade, but it is the brown one. It's like a dark brown, and I'm just going to make little dots where I want the freckles. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create, just to make it look a bit more scarecrowy, I'm going to be doing a little patch maybe up here and one on the side here. Yeah, just with an eyeliner. Okay, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment anything you like, and I'll see you guys next time.